If you are using Copilot in Microsoft 365, here are 3 settings you should enable right now. To get started, head over to copilot.microsoft.com to enable these settings. The first one is Try ChatGPT 5. To enable this, click on Try ChatGPT 5 button right here and then write your prompt always. This gives you access to Microsoft's most advanced Copilot model, so your answers are more accurate and helpful. The second one is Include Web Search. To enable this, go to the Copilot menu out here and enable Include Web Search under Copilot results. With this turned on, Copilot can now pull in the latest information from the web instead of only looking at your files on your computer or in the cloud. And the third one is Copilot Memory. To enable this, go to the Copilot menu out here and first click on Settings and then under Personalization, enable Copilot Memory right here. This lets Copilot remember your preferences and working style, so over time it feels more personalized and useful to you. And that's it. 3 quick settings that make Copilot even smarter and more personal for you. Try them out and see difference in your everyday work.